is in the living room. She works as a nurse. Give me 2 glasses of water. I want to talk to him. What would you like to eat? He doesn't look like a doctor. He's very famous. 100 per day will cost. This is nice place. Whose child is this? Comb your hair. Who burst the balloon? Make it sure that you have lunchbox. I have a word with you. Don't forget to call me. Am I taking a bath now? Are you all right? There is an old office over there. Is everything okay? What is the total price? How much altogether? Where is it? The roads are slippery. Is the post office far? Where are she? That means Friends. That's pretty good. What made you in hurry? I'll see you at home. Where are you going? Don't play in the sun. Get ready for school in 15 minutes.